If you want to start making money through investment in Nigeria, then you need to pay attention to this video because I'll be talking about 4 platforms you can use to start investing right now. If you like videos like this, then make sure to hit the like button right now and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube is going to recommend this video to a lot more persons. Let's get started with the first app, which is called Bamboo. Bamboo is a very good option if you want to start investing in the US stocks, Nigerian stocks, treasury bills, naira and dollar savings. Let me show you how it works. So first, you need to go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. I will leave a link to create an account in the description. Once you do that, you need to actually install the app and then you're good to get started. The next thing to do is to log in and then do some KYC. Once you're done with that, then it's going to bring you to this page, which is the home page for Bamboo. Now, if you want to start investing, just go ahead and click on invest. And here you have a lot of options. The first is US stocks. So I'm just going to click on it. So over here, you can see a list of the stocks available here. But when I click on Warren Buffett's portfolio, you can see there is a lot more stocks over here, which is the stocks Warren Buffett invested in. I can also filter by other ones, FK portfolio, and I can see other stocks right here and the other persons here. So this gives you a list of a lot of stocks, and you can also find bank ETFs and fixed income ETFs, which you can see right here. So any one of your choice, you can use this to do the filter and get a list of stocks you want. So let's say you want to invest in Apple, for instance. Just click on it and you can see the current price, which is at $271. Today the price is up by 0.51%. okay, so you can also do some filter with the chart, which you can see right here by clicking on each of these to weekly, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year and 5 years, and you can see how well it has performed in the last 5 years. All right, you can also find out more details by clicking on financials and news and read up some things about it. Now, once you're done with your research about it, if you're okay with it, then you can just go ahead and click on buy. And right here it says the market is currently closed. However, this order can be executed during extended hours. Would you like to proceed? So you can click on yes, and then set your limit order if you want to buy with limit order or buy now. So just click on buy now, put in the amount you want to buy. So in dollars, so let's say I wanted to do $100. You can see that's equivalent to 140,000, and you can say I'm going to get 0.368 shares, and I can click on review order and invest in it right away if I want to buy it. But you can see here it says make a deposit. That's because I don't have up to $100 in this account. So this is simply how to use it to buy any stock of your choice. The next, you can see NGN stock, and here you have a list of all the stocks in Nigeria. The interesting thing about stocks in Nigeria is most of them have been performing really well in the last 1 year. Some have done 300, 500%. But you just need to do your research to know the right one to invest in. So you pick any one of your choice and click on buy. You can do buy now or limit order. So let's do buy now and let's just proceed and put in the amount. So let's say I wanted to use 100,000 naira to buy. You're going to see the equivalent you're going to get. You can now go ahead and click on review order and buy it straight up. The next thing you can do on Bamboo is treasury bills. This is more like earning interest while enjoying full security of the Nigerian government. So this particular one is for the Nigerian government. So you can click on see available bills, and then over here there are different options. So we have 259, 133 days, 259 days, and 315 days. So the higher you go, the higher the APY you get. That is the returns you actually get. So let's go with 315 days for instance, and let's say I wanted to invest 1 million naira. You would see that would be equivalent to $713, and I will be getting around 15% here. Usually it pays around 18% annually, but over here, due to the fact that 308 days is not up to 1 year, I will be getting somewhere around 15% just by investing in it. And if I want to go ahead, then I can just do preview and I can invest in it right now. So that's basically how it works. The other ones here is the Naira savings and fixed dollar return. So if I want the dollar one, I can click on it and click on start investing, put in the amount, and I can basically start investing. Select the tenor, so how long do you want it to be. For 365 days, that will be 7%. You can see there, each of them have different percentage for the investment. So if I want to go with 364 days, that's going to give me 7%. I can just go ahead and click on preview order and proceed, and right away I would invest in any of these things right now. So this is basically how we can use Bamboo to start investing. The second platform is Piggyvest. Now, if you're scared of investing, especially in stocks, which the price always fluctuates up and down, if you're scared of things like that, you can just focus on Piggyvest, which focuses on mainly savings. Here's how Piggyvest works. So first, I'm going to open the app, and next I'm going to click on savings. So you can see a couple of options here. So we have the piggy bank, we have safe lock, we have target savings, house money, flex dollar, flex naira. So each of them gives you their own percentage. So let's start with safe lock, for instance. You can see safe lock gives between 15 to 19% annually. So if this is what I want, I can just go ahead and click on create a safe lock, and each of the timeline have how many percent you're going to get. So if I want to go with, let's say 365 days, no more than 365 days, I'm going to select this one, which is 271 to 365 days, which gives you approximately 19.5%. So I'll click on it, and I can put in the amount I want to lock right now. So let's do 1 million naira, and maybe just put in what it's for. So let's say for purchase, I want to use it to purchase something. So set payback date, so I can pick a date of my choice. Since I wanted it to be 19%, I can go with that exactly 365 days, which, it's capped at 17%. So I'm just going to select it. So, and where do I want to fund my money from? So if I have money in my Flex Naira or Piggy Bank, I can just select it and click on preview, safe lock, and authorize all of these. And this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get this 170,000 naira upfront. My balance of the 1 million naira will be returned to me by the end of 365 days. If I'm okay with that, I'll just do this, and then click on create safe lock, and that's going to happen instantly. This is the same way you can use any other one. Let's go to Flex Dollar. So if you want to invest in dollar, you're going to receive 6% annually. Now, if you look right here, interest are accrued daily and paid next month. So if I want to do that, then I'll just click on this plus sign right here, and I need to buy dollars. So look at the cost they're selling their dollars right here. So if I put in an amount, so let's say $1,000, that will be equivalent to 1,405 naira. So I need to have this money in my Flex Naira account. Once I have it there, I can just select it, click on authorize, and it's going to debit this money from my Flex Naira account and credit to my Flex Dollar account instantly. And that way I can now start earning this reward just by depositing my money in Flex Dollar. The good thing about this is guaranteed money. So it doesn't go, there's no fluctuation of going up or down. It's guaranteed. So you actually know the outcome at the end of the day. The next platform on my list is called Risevest. Okay, so this is the homepage for it. For this, you also need to sign up and do your KYC. It's pretty much easy. It didn't take me up to 10 minutes to complete it. All right, so once you're done with that, you can now go to invest and click on explore. And over here, there are a bunch of things you can invest in. So they have the real estate, they have growth stocks, fixed return, which is fixed income, dollar vote, naira vote, and then the other ones here for create a goal. So let's start with the naira vote. So for this one, you earn somewhere around 15 to 25%, depending on how long you're investing. So if you want to start investing in this one, for instance, just go ahead and click on start investing and put in the amount. So let's say I want to do 10 million naira, for instance. You can see I'm going to get 23% if I'm keeping this money for 6 months, and my total earning is going to be 1.18 million. But if I move this to 1 year, you can see I'm going to earn 2.5 million, meaning I'm getting 25% annually. But see what happens when I take it to 2 years. I'm going to get 5 million, and then if I'm doing it for 5 years, I'm going to get 12.5 million. So if 1 year works for you, you can just put your money, lock it up for 1 year, and that is going to happen right away. So if you try and just click on continue, you can see I don't have up to 10 million naira here. If I do, it's going to happen. And if you want to fund, it's easy. From the home page here, just click on fund, and you can use bank transfer, which is the easiest one. This is my account details. I can go ahead and deposit the money, and the money is going to show up here right away. It's very, very easy. Now let's go back to invest, and let's check out the dollar vote. So for this, it gives out 10%. Now, when I talked about Bamboo and Piggyvest, they give out between 6 to 7%, but this is giving 10%, and it is actually guaranteed. You can see capital guaranteed, return guaranteed. So I can just go ahead and click on start investing, and I can give the plan a name. So UCHECRYPT, for instance, click on continue. And how long do you want to invest? So depending, I can do 1 year, depending on what I want. I can go ahead, put in the amount I want to invest. So let's say $100,000 this time around. And if I have that, then I can just proceed right away to invest in this. All right. And this also applies to every other thing here, which is the fixed income and other ones. But let's look at this growth stock. Now, this is not like bamboo, where you can basically buy any stock of your choice. Rather, you're basically investing in multiple stocks. You can see there's about around 20 to 30 stocks in your long-term portfolio. So if you're investing in this one, the money is going to be used to purchase a lot of these stocks. So it's not just one specific stock you're purchasing. So you can click on confirm and click on yes, continue, put in a name, and then you can go ahead and invest in go ahead and invest in it, just in case you want that. And then they also have the real estate here, which return is not guaranteed, but capital is guaranteed. So you just have to check out this risk when you're investing. And then they give out 12 to 15% annually. All right. I didn't check the one for this. So this, they didn't give out a percentage. They said it's dependent on the market. So you need to look out for what they give out before you invest. But the most important thing when you're investing money is your capital being guaranteed. So if the platform is promising you a guaranteed return of your capital, then I think that's very, very fine. But if they can't, I think you just have to be careful, especially if they're not properly registered or well known in the country. You just have to look out for that when you're investing. The final platform on my list is called Cowrywise. I'm going to open up my Cowrywise app and I can sign in right away. If you want to deposit money, you can basically just click on add cash and you can deposit right away. It's very, very easy. But if you want to invest next, I just tested out this one here, but I would be putting in more money very soon. So next I'm going to click on invest. And there are a bunch of options here. So they have the NGN stocks, NG stocks, that's Nigerian stocks, Naira Mutual Fund, and Dollar Mutual Fund. That's basically what they have. So let's start with the Naira Mutual Fund. So they have the recommended one, which is the Cowrywise portfolio, which gives around 16.55 ROI% annually. And then if you click on Halal, which is for those that are Muslims that want to invest in some stuff like this, I think this one are good for you. And then you can click on all to give you options for everything here, and a bunch of things you can invest in here. So fixed income portfolio is 4%, balanced portfolio is 32%. So depending on the one you want, you can go ahead and invest in it, just like I've talked about. And then let's check out the Dollar Mutual Fund. So click on invest now, and the year-to-date return here says 2%, which might seem very, very small, but if that's fine for you, you can go ahead and put in the amount and invest in it right away. But I mean, look at the numbers. And one very good platform you can use to look at the numbers very well is Moniq, which if you don't want to go over using each platforms to look at this one, you can simply use Moniq to track the returns for each of them. Once you come to the website for Moniq, just scroll down and you're going to see a bunch of assets here. So if you just want the one in Nigeria, just click on NGN and it's just going to filter them for you. So you can see Nigerian Treasury bill is 12 to 15%, fixed deposit. You can see Cowrywise, and a lot of them. Bamboo gives 16% for Naira savings. So you're going to see a lot of them. But if you want, or just click on all, and it's going to compare them. Like Cowrywise equity portfolio gives 30%, their balanced portfolio gives 26%, Piggyvest flow gives 17%. So you can use this to track each and every one of them and know which is the best for you to invest, instead of going to them one by one. But if you have the time, I think that's totally fine for you to do so. So this is how you can use it. But one final thing I would like to clarify in this video for those specifically investing in stocks is, I know some of you are going to be saying, what happens if the platform goes down? Does it mean your money is lost or all of that? Well, I totally understand your concern, but your money is not going to be lost, especially if you're doing the right thing. First thing you need to look out for is to find out if the platform is affiliated or licensed by the Security Exchange Commission. So what happens is many of them let you connect a broker account with them. So if anything happens, you can still track your money with that third-party platform, which is the broker you're actually connected to. So that simply means your money is not going to be lost, regardless of if they stop operating. What they are just doing is they are just a third party helping to facilitate this transaction. In real terms, they're not the one making this full investment. They are doing it on your behalf, on the broker and the rest of that. So they're only charging you fee just to do all of that. So your investment is not completely with them, rather it's with the broker. So you can easily go there and then get your money right away. And I don't think that's a difficult thing to do. But that's mainly for those investing in stocks. So if you're one of them, then you have nothing to worry about. But make sure to always check out if the platform you're using to invest does have it. Bamboo actually have it, and a few other ones really have it, so check out for that when investing. So this is all of it about this video. I really hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more videos like this coming very soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.